Hey, what's up? I have another dual-channel dash cam for review, and it is called the Thinkware Q800Pro. Actually, this is not a new dash cam, because it was released about 2 years ago. However, the dash cam still have very good specifications and a nice design. By the way, design is one of the main features of a Thinkware dash cams, and they even have some design awards. The specifications are also very good, such as 5 megapixels camera sensor with 2K resolution, 140 degrees of wide view and angle, super night vision, parking mode, built-in GPS, G-sensor, mobile app support and other features. Okay, let's do unboxing and full review of Thinkware Q800Pro dash cam. By the way, I forgot to tell you that I have a bundle with 3 camera and hardware kit for parking mode. You can choose the option on Amazon with only dash cam. In this square box we have a dash cam itself, 3 camera and power cable for the 3 camera. And there is also a 12-watt power cable for dash cam, 32 gigs of memory card, USB microSD card reader, windshield mount, spare 3M mounting type, adhesive cable clips, and user manual in the package. By the way, I also have CPL filter. It is sold additionally for $20. The manufacturer says that CPL filter can significantly improve light exposure, enhance color clarity, and reduce glare. Later, we will compare video quality with a CPL filter and without it. As already said, I have a dash cam and rear view camera. First, let's take a look at dash cam. Thinkware Q800Pro has a rotating camera on the left side. On the right side, there is a GPS port, a DC-in power port, and V-in input port. The mount connector on the windshield is on the back. As you can see, the dash cam doesn't have a display. However, there is a GPS LED, recording LED, and Wi-Fi LED on the left side. And then we can see a control panel with manual recording button in the center, voice recording button, format button, power button, and Wi-Fi button. This is a speaker next inscription, dual channel QHD and Full HD digital recorder. There is a microphone hole, micro SD card slot, and reset button on the top of dash cam. You know, Thinkware dash cam really looks stylish. By the way, its dimensions are 105 by 60 by 35 mm. The weight is only 115 grams. Talking about rear view camera, it has a lens and microphone hole on the front, as well as V-out port on the side. The camera lens is also rotating. To be honest, I have a dash cam with display installed in my car, and I really find it convenient. However, probably you don't need a screen, because you can watch a live video on smartphone. We will talk about application a little later. I already said that Thinkware Q800Pro was released about 2 years ago, but it has many features that other dash cams in 2021 cannot boast of them. The first and perhaps the main feature of this Thinkware dash cam is 2K QHD resolution. The rear view camera has Full HD resolution. The next feature is Super Night Vision 2.0 with SONY STARVIS sensor. The manufacturer says that night vision technology reduces noise and enhances image quality in low light conditions. Later we will check it out. Then the dash cam from Thinkware has 140 degrees view and angle. It also supports wide dynamic range technology. I told you that Thinkware Q800Pro has features that are not available on other modern dash cams. One of them is Thinkware Cloud 2.0. The cloud service lets you check your vehicle's location and receive notification directly on compatible Android and iOS devices. We will come back to the app later. Thinkware Q800Pro dash cam has parking surveillance mode. The features of parking mode included time-lapse, energy-saving mode, impact detection, and motion detection. You know, I am reading the features of this dash cam, and I am getting more and more surprised by it. Thinkware Q800Pro has advanced driver assistance system. The dash cam warns about forward collision, front vehicle departure, and lane departure. There is also red light camera alert and speed camera alert. Okay, now let's install the app and take a look at its functions. The application for Thinkware Q800Pro dash cam is called Thinkware Cloud. When a dash cam is connected to smartphone, you can click on live video and watch the video from the front and rear cameras. Then we have 4 sections, such as file list, dash cam settings, dash cam info, and connection settings. In the file list, we can see the continuous videos from the front and rear cameras, continuous incident, motion detection, parking incident, manual recording, and downloaded videos on smartphone. In the dash cam settings, there are following settings: memory card, camera, record, road safety, system and network. You know, this is probably the most advanced settings I have ever seen in dashcams. You can set up almost anything in Thinkware Q800Pro. As you can guess, in the dashcam info, there is information about dashcam, such as model name, firmware version, memory size, etc. The last menu is the network settings. Here you can change Wi-Fi network name and password. First, I want to compare video quality with CPL filter and without it. To be honest, I don't see a big difference, so I'm not sure that it is worth buying CPL filter. Now let's watch some videos that I shot on Thinkware Q800Pro during day and at night. I have already told you many times in this video that Thinkware Q800Pro is about 2 years old dashcam. However, this shouldn't scare you. Thinkware Q800Pro has better specifications and features than some dashcams in 2021. The video quality is very good, both day and night. You can also buy an additional rear view camera and hardware kit for parking mode. The app is one of the main features of this dashcam, because you can watch what is happening with your vehicle in the real time on smartphone, as well as check your vehicle's location and receive notifications. By the way, driver assistance system and safety camera alerts also work very well. If you're interested in buying this dashcam, I will leave the link to Amazon and official website in description under the video. Thank you for watching. hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.